Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we're going to make a cassava cake. It's a traditional moist cake made from grated cassava, coconut milk, and condensed milk. We need 500 grams of grated cassava, 410 ml of coconut milk. Mix it together in a bowl. In another bowl, crack one egg and whisk it. Add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, or you can also use white, and add the egg as well. Mix it well so it's blended together. Add 100 ml of condensed milk and set aside the rest of the condensed milk for the topping. Mix it again. Add 1/4 of oil, or you can use butter. Add 1 teaspoon of buko pandan for flavoring, or you can use other flavoring like yam or orange or anything you want. Prepare your baking pan. You can use a parchment paper if you don't want to grease it, or you can just grease it with oil. Pour over the batter and spread it evenly so it's flat and it's cooked evenly. Make sure to preheat the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and once it's preheated, then you can put it inside and you can bake the cake for 30 minutes. You can check it every now and then. While doing that, we can prepare the topping. In a small bowl, whisk the egg. Add 1/2 cup of milk or coconut milk. Then pour the rest of the condensed milk, which is 200 ml, and mix them all together. Make sure there's no lump. So you might mix it for like 2 minutes or a minute. This dessert is good to be paired with tea or coffee, and it's also one of my favorites. I'll transfer the topping into a measuring cup So it's easy for me to mix it. And it's also easy for me to pour it over once it's all mixed up. After 30 minutes, let's check again the cassava cake. It's now cooked and we are ready to put our topping. So remove it from the oven and pour the, the liquid on top of the cassava cake. Make sure it's spread evenly. Then let's put it back in the oven and bake it for like 10 minutes. And after that, let's change it to broil and broil it for like 6 minutes to get that brownish color on top. And once it's done, it looks like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below.